Hello and welcome back again to MarineMax Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be taking a brief look at this Harris Tri-Toon 230 cruiser. As you can see, she's outfitted with a 150 Mercury, heavy duty tow bar on the back, and a heavy duty 4-step boarding ladder. As you walk around the side, you'll see the black iodized rails all the way around with the upgraded flooring. Storage hatch has twin captain seats, and the helm is laid out perfectly. For a full viewing of this 230 Harris cruiser or any of our other Harris pontoons, please come see me, Dwayne Diggs, MarineMax Gulf Shores.